Hi, I'm Jennifer of Celtic Knot Crochet, and I love to crochet jewelry. Often it's a quick and small project that can be combined with beads and other jewelry findings to make a one-of-a-kind, unique accessory that can be worn in just a couple of hours. You may like to make crochet jewelry as well, but you're not sure how to finish it using some simple jewelry techniques. So I came up with this class, Jewelry Techniques for Crocheters, to teach you how to use the various jewelry findings, jewelry pliers, and how to incorporate beads into your project. This will be a live class with me on Wednesday, July 21st from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Central Time. Details of how to sign up for the class are listed in the description below. Just click on that link. I'd love to have you join us. In the class, we'll be making 2 projects that you can wear and show off that day. We'll be working with size 3 thread and a variety of jewelry findings. During the class, we'll use these projects to help teach us these different techniques. Once you register for the class, you'll be sent a link that will be to a video. I will explain in that video all the supplies you need. They are very basic things that you can find at any local craft store, but I thought a video would make it a little bit easier for you to understand what you need. You will also be given a detailed handout with tips about how to make jewelry and all the details you need to make these projects.